I'm Dr. K. Ramesh, Senior Consultant Urologist and Robotic Surgeon at Apollo Main Hospital, Greams Road, Chennai. Today I am going to talk about Vesicovaginal Fistula. Vesicovaginal Fistula is abnormal communication between the bladder and the vagina leading to continuous urine leak. Most commonly after hysterectomy surgery. Why should I choose robotic surgery over the standard treatment? Robotic surgery, along with the three-dimensional vision and magnification and robotic arms, allows a surgeon to navigate the tight pelvic spaces and do a precise and a fine suturing of the fistula. Robotic vesicovaginal repair is highly recommended for recurrent and complex vesicovaginal fistula repair. I am also available for consultation in the evenings at Ashvin Urology Clinic at RK Salai, Mylapore, Chennai. Thank you.